Hey guys, today we are going to review two things: putting away groceries and cleaning out the fridge. Let's start by taking everything out of the bags. We're going to disinfect our groceries by wiping them down. Wash your hands right after. Oh boy, let's see what's in here. We need to get rid of old leftovers and make some room for our new groceries. Make sure to check expiration dates on everything in your fridge and your pantry. These peppers don't expire until December 5th, 2021, so we can keep that. Let's check out our fruit. Looks good to me. Our cheese expires on September 14th, 2020. It is still good. Wipe down your fridge to make sure it stays clean. Wipe any spilled food or drinks. Don't forget underneath the items in the door. Let's put the milk, juice, cheese, and eggs in the fridge. Put the cans and the brownies in the pantry. Head on over to Google Classroom and check out the slide I put on there. Try to answer the questions the best you can. Have a great Thursday, guys!